Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable snap layouts in Windows 11. So firstly click on start, then settings. Now here click on multitasking. Now here you will see first option snap windows to automatically resize and arrange them into layouts. So firstly turn on this option. Now you can select these options which you like you will turn on this option. So when I snap a window, suggest what I can snap next to it. Second one, snap layouts when I hover over a Windows maximize button like this one. So you can select any size which you like this. So this is the way guys you can turn on and enable snap layouts in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.